Hi there, it's George here, and today I have to show you my Billbergia in beautiful bloom special video again. This beautiful plant I have already for 5 years at least, and blooming in every year, but decided now to show you every year how blooming, and this year so special, so many blooms, about 7, that is good. I did show you about 2 years ago and bloomed this plant. It was 7 flowers too, but was not so bush, so many leaves did grow already. That's it. This is another special video, and we will see how will grow. Well, how I do take care of this plant. And summertime I move it outside in the full sunny, and it benefits of warm season outside and sunny and light. And the winter time blooming here inside, so beautiful. And as you can see how many flowers here, amazing, about 5 in the top here and another 2 in back. The background here, as you can see, one is opening here and one already ending, but so interesting this plant that's blooming and the leaves looking lush as always, especially in summertime, but it's in winter time and it's very beautiful. Well, it's almost spring and the plants started to grow more well, more good, and decided to show you here close up how looking these beautiful blooms. Amazing. And this plant gifted to me by a friend in my country, and so happy, thanks for him. Amazing it looking here too, as you can see. These blue things, as you can see here. And to be so lush on the leaves, we have to take care a little bit. In springtime or in summertime, we have to add some a layer of potting soil, added it here, and the plant will jet the nutrients and will grow more and more vigorously. But I didn't add it on this plant, and this growing such vigorously here even in winter time, and that's it. But what if I will add a layer of potting soil here inside? Is deep already, the potting soil is not seen. Where is the layer? I don't know, but have to take care of this plant, and especially in springtime when we moving plants outside, we have not to put it in direct sunlight. The plant loves direct sunlight, but first weeks we have to put it somewhere under a shade, under a tree somewhere. Do not burn the leaves, like here for example, yes, and that's it. But in general the plant looking great. And I love the blooms here, just are amazing. I say that this plant is in the same family with pineapple, and here I have one pineapple. It's growing very beautiful under grow light. Now we'll see how it will grow in the future. And here a bamboo, most of bamboo growing nice too. I will show you a little bit of update on my plants here that growing in my room, but this plant I put to film here, but is placed in another room is, but here is amazing to shoot videos. I like here to shoot. And one hibiscus I have there, amazing. Some sweet potato growing. It get better. I did shoot a video, it was sick this plant, but now I do a treatment for this plant and it will be nice, I think. The mandarin tree growing, and I give a light to it. You know, in winter time plants does not have so much light like in summertime and need some light to develop. The coffee tree fall a lot of leaves, but anyway, coffee beans are here. As you can see, soon they will get ripe. Well, here I have mangoes, and I have to wait a few days to reap, then I'm gonna eat, and the seeds I'm gonna plant hope will germinate well. Also, here I have passion fruit, growing nice, under grow light, as you can see, and the banana plant. In winter time they drying some leaves, but it's not very warm now, and that's it. Anyway, the new leaves growing, as you can see here. I'm looking forward to be warm, and we'll see how fast will grow this banana plant. And I have another banana plant recently repotted, and the large which germinated here, already growing leaves. Amazing. And orchid is in bloom. The pink orchid started to grow one spike. Did end not a very long time ago, the flowers and another flowers growing. And the lucky bamboo, it's just lush. Amazing. So big leaves growing. Here another sweet potato started to grow. Nice on the windowsill. This is sequoia. I did show you a video update, special video how it was grow. It's doing really well. And another plants. I have to show you a special video update on these plants. I have many plants, and that's it. Have another pineapples and coffee seedlings. Well, I have a lot to show you, but I decided to show you update on this beautiful Billbergia plant in bloom, which is amazing, decorative, just I cannot keep pace on another side. Well, thanks so much for watching to the end. That means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova, George was here. If you want, can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.